Want to find profitable Amazon FBA products without wasting hours searching random items that never sell? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find winning Amazon FBA products using SmartScout, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. And quick heads up before we start, if you want to try SmartScout yourself, I've got an exclusive 25% off discount through my referral link in the description. The best part? The coupon is automatically applied, so you don't need to enter any code manually. Now let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make with Amazon FBA is choosing products randomly. They see something trending and think it'll make money, but most of the time those products are too competitive or low profit. That's where SmartScout helps. Instead of guessing, SmartScout gives you real Amazon data to find better opportunities. So first, open SmartScout and go to the product search feature. This is where you'll find product ideas. Now don't just search random products. Use filters. For beginners, I recommend setting the price range between $20 and $70 because these products usually have decent margins. Next, look for products making at least $5,000 monthly revenue, so you know there's demand. Then check reviews. Try finding products with under 300 reviews because lower reviews usually mean lower competition. Also, focus on lightweight products when possible since shipping costs can eat your profits. Once SmartScout shows results, don't just pick the first product you see. Ask yourself 3 questions. Does this product solve a problem? Can I improve it somehow with better quality, packaging, or branding? And is the competition weak enough? For example, if a product is making good revenue but sellers have bad listings, poor images, or lots of complaints in reviews, that's opportunity, because weak competition means you can do better. And real quick, if you want to try SmartScout yourself, don't forget I've linked it below with an exclusive 25% off discount automatically applied through my referral link. Now, one final tip. Always check competition before choosing a product. If one giant brand dominates the niche, skip it. But if several smaller sellers are making good sales, that's usually a better sign for beginners. And always check profit margins before sourcing anything because high revenue means nothing if profit is bad. That's exactly how you can find Amazon FBA products using SmartScout. If you want to try it yourself, grab the 25% off discount through my link below, automatically applied. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.